Before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today I'm about to cash out my 4th week earnings of $748.08 from branch to my business account. But before we get into that, if you would like to know your FICO scores and what's in your reports for all three bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week using your vehicle on your time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. Now, if you don't have a car, you don't want to use your own, click the Wealth HyreCar link in the description below, and that way you can use the HyreCar to steal Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your time. Like to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500? Click the Be Free link in the description below, then click Sign Up. If you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, you can do so by clicking the cashback links in the description below. Now, I'd like to add, since you know this is about Walmart Spark, you'd like to get started with Walmart Spark as a delivery driver, click the Spark link in the description below. Alright, it should say Wealth Spark or Wealth Walmart Spark or something like that. But click the Wealth Spark or the Spark link in the description below to get started as a Walmart Spark delivery driver. Now let's get into this cash out. Again, like I always say through every video when I'm doing this, I'm going to cash out all the time, and I'm going to walk you through me cashing out from the branch app to my business account. Now let's get into it. Now here is in the branch app. You see this is my earnings for my 4th week, $748.08. What you're going to do is you're going to click move. All right, you're going to click move, and that's how you're going to move your funds. All right. So right here it says Paycheck. You see the funds right here. All right. This is ready to be paid. This is your paycheck from Walmart Spark. All right. So you're going to do, you're going to click move funds, and let me show you how it's going to look when you click move funds. So once you click move funds, it bring this up. It say move funds and say, how would you like to withdraw money from your branch account? So they have their debit card. You can request their debit card. All right. But I always choose another bank account because I want it to go to my bank account, and it's free. Once you have their debit card, you can also choose an ATM. You can find an ATM where I guess it's a small fee or whatever. I don't know because I don't use the card. I would just transfer it to my business account. So you click business account, or you click another bank. You take 3 to 5 business days, which is usually the next business day. I just found out recently that if you do it later in the day, let's just say after 7, 8 o'clock, then it'll actually take 2 days. So for best results, I would say do it before 5 o'clock Eastern time. Right, so do it before 5 o'clock Eastern time. So let's go into what it looks like once you click another bank account. So here it says, where would you like to move funds to? So funds will be removed from your branch digital wallet and added to the selected account. All right, remember when you first did this, I walked you through it when I did my very first payment to set up the whole branch account to move the funds and all that. You did it through Plaid. When you do it through Plaid, it'll pull up all of your accounts with that specified institution. So it has my savings account and it has my checking account. I chose checking account, and let me show you. It's going to highlight. All right. So once you choose the account you want to use, it'll be highlighted in blue. And all you do is you just click continue. So you click continue. Now, once you click continue, this is how it's going to look. It's going to look kind of like Cash App. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter the amount up here, because this is the amount of your check. So you're going to enter that amount. So let me show you how it looks once you enter the amount. Once you enter the amount, it's going to look like this, obviously, because again, it looks like Cash App. So then you're going to click continue. All right. So you're going to click continue. Now, once you click continue, you're going to come to this confirmation screen. You're going to confirm that you want to cash out this amount. All right. So once you confirm this, and you confirm by just looking at it, obviously, you're going to say, okay, that's right, $748.08, because this is the amount of my 4th week. And you see it's fee free. All right. It's total amount. It says transferring funds from branch to your institution. Checking can take up to 3 to 5 business days to process. So usually process within the next business day. Okay. And once you confirm all of that, you just swipe up. So it says swipe up to move. So you just swipe up. Right. Just go right with your finger. And this is what it's going to come to next. So we're going to come here and it's going to enter your passcode. When you set up the whole branch account from when your first payment, you set it up, you're going to enter a passcode. We're going to create a passcode. And this is where you enter that passcode to go ahead and move the funds. Kind of like the same thing with Cash App. So you're going to enter your passcode. Okay, so once you enter that passcode, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to click continue. Okay, that's it. You're going to click continue. And it's going to bring you here, okay? You see the confetti fall and everything. It says making money moves. $748.08 will be removed from your branch account and moved to your Navy Federal Credit Union or whatever institution you're with. Checking ending in. You're going to have the last 4 within 3 to 5 business days. And you're going to click continue. And once you click continue, you will be sent here back to the screen, but now your balance is 0. And it shows here that branch account unload. So it unloaded to your bank account. All right. And it says, as always, going to take 3 to 5 business days, but you're going to be usually within the next business day. Again, that's if you do it by 5 o'clock Eastern time. All right. Now, I can't really tell you the time frame after that, but I know I did it later and it actually came, I say a day and a half after I did it. So I actually just got the funds today, but I did it Tuesday night. Literally around like 8 or 9 o'clock is when I did it. And so I got the money today, which is Thursday morning. But usually if I do it Tuesday evening, somewhere around 4 to 5 o'clock, I'll get it on Wednesday. So again, that's why I say you might want to do it before 5 o'clock. But that's pretty much it, everybody. That's how you cash out. All right. Cash out. I do this every time, every week. I do a video about this. So that's pretty much how you cash out. All right. Now, again, if you would like to go ahead and get started with Spark and or DoorDash, just click the Spark link in the description below and click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. It might say Wealth Spark or something like that. Wealth Spark, I don't know. But you know it's the Walmart Spark link, so click that link in the description below to get started with Walmart Spark. And click the Wealth Dasher to get started with Wealth Dasher. And if you don't have a car, you can click the HyreCar and use their card to Spark and Wealth Dash. All right? So I hope you got a lot out of this video. Now you know how to cash out for the 4th time. And thanks for watching. If you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports from all 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own vehicle, then click the Wealth HyreCar link in the description below. And that way you can hire a car and use that vehicle to then Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. And if you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, click the cash back link in the description below. Like, share the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel subscribe to It's Oasis, and until the next video, let's get this money.